The name Donegal is no stranger to social media, and the kind work and gestures that she has been doing for many years right now have paid off after a young child recognizes her work in an emotional message. We're about to share that with you right now on Links 007 TV. Dante has been an internet sensation for many years now, and he met Miss Donna for the first time in what is said to be one of the most special moments in Miss Donna's career and her life as a humanitarian. We're going to share that with you right now on the program. This is Links 007 TV, and we'll be right back. Hi again, and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back, and thanks for joining us for the program. It's the Links 007 TV. Let's talk. One thing I've learned in life and was able to acknowledge from very young is that if you do good, people will dare to criticize you. And if you do bad, people will be there to criticize you. Miss Donny has been doing an extraordinary work with her charity program, which has improved the lives of many individuals right across Jamaica. And when we look on what is going on with the current situation and how Miss Donna have helped so many individuals, and still people try to chastise her and try to bring the program into disrepute. Now recently, an individual known by the name Dante met Miss Donna, and I can tell you it was such an emotional moment for Dante just in order to meet Miss Donna for the very first time after watching her videos online. We're about to share that special moment with you right now on Links 007 TV, and also some other moments that Dante reflect on certain life issues, and also his recent video that he did with the icon Marlon Samuels reviewing the icon Perfume. So we're gonna go over to those clips right now on Links 007 TV.
I want son. I'm going to find over the phone. You see vehicle, I'm really like Auntie Donna. Oh God. Me not cry, Auntie Donna. Oh God, no make me cry, no make me cry. Me not cry. Don't cry. Just because you help a lot of people. The blind couple, you help them out. You watch me see your face. My name Dante, Auntie Donna. And you watch me and you cry. Me not cry because it just make me feel emotional. Plus, you will get how old? Claudia, you have no money in there, give me something, make me bless him. Give me something, make me bless him. Don't take out something out. Dante, I want, where your father there? My father live over there. I wonder if he will vex them, put you in a phone. No, vex. He no vex, Auntie Donna. You make me care. Auntie Donna, come over here, Auntie Donna. And I'm just, my mind say, go look over there. Go look over there, I must come over there. Yeah. I just feel. Marcy, I work with Claudia for me now for bless her. Auntie Donna, you know that anytime you come back around and say you come meet me, because come here but tell me grandfather boy, I'm telling him I love you. You take care from me. I get angry, but what's the other? Jesus have mercy, God. You make me. Tap on there over there, sir. I only on top of him. Him came over here, sir. I ain't tell us I'm over here. No, me come over here. Me come over here. So you see the car? You see the car. You see the car. I'm a man of things, so come over here. So come over here, sir. Yes. And I want to say, everybody, and I want to say, big up to my, and big up to the Franca crew as well. Yes. And everybody, Claudia. Yes, Miss Claudia. And big up to my auntie and my sweet auntie. Oh, God. I remember say, I love you. Jesus, Marcia. You make me dear. Yeah, this is for my ice cream. Yeah, this auntie and I say, what a sweet boy. Anything I want to see a real, and on my planet, him just come to me, I want to see him. Auntie, I love you. Phone. Oh God, I'm going to be able to say, you know, I'm not going to cuss. No. What you want to be when you grow up? Looking like camera. What I want to be a producer, Auntie Donna. You want to produce music?
So there you have it. That was Dante making a special visit to Miss Donna. And as you can see, that was just an emotional moment for that young lad just making that visit to Miss Donna. And you can see the tears in his eyes. However, Dante is no stranger to me, as he has been doing videos from he was quite young. And if many of you can recall, he has done a numerous amount of videos with the cricket star Marlon Samuels as well, and he's also a friend of the cricket star. So right now I'm going to share another video with you of Dante when he was very young, and this one I believe will leave you cracking up. I'm going to go over to that right now, right here on Links 7 TV. Let's bring that up on screen for you.
Police them on the road.
Yeah.
Them wicked man. Now drive me jeep over them.
Yeah.
Police stop me on the road. I tell me say, give me my license. So the police are there. And I don't make a passport. And the police are, they like, cockroach. And them slow.
They say like what?
Cockroach.
Yeah.
Yeah. And mad man. So I don't go on them police there. Stop. Now start they say, when I speed I go to my girlfriend.
Where you go for?
My girlfriend.
And where you do?
Get my girlfriend and go to the beach. So the boy they stop me on the road because I don't speed. But my girlfriend never there in the car yet, you know. They go pick her up. Go shoot me down at the beach. Get it?
Yeah.
Go and shave. But the police stop me and ask me for my license. I have to beg the police and I tell the police, say, please police, I have to book my girlfriend up. And I got the beach for my girlfriend and I was chilling up. But when we realize it, police give me a chance. They give me a video. Police them will be the fault. And push that one police up. I'm not saying go to another one them. I want another one police to sit up. I'm not speed back police car.
Yeah.
So the two police have to stop the car. I'm not going to follow the car. Then the two police they will back me up. I'm not speed back one another police. I know that police are the beach with my girlfriend. The girl kiss me up.
What?
Yeah.
You get kiss up?
Yeah, I rub my back.
What?
Yeah, man.
Where you going?
Yeah, man.
Mm.
Love me up.
Yeah. But when you drive on the road, man, you have to speed, you have to take your time.
Yeah, but as from my girlfriend now pick up.
Yeah.
I tell her the time.
Yeah.
The time to go away.
And she take long to get ready.
Yeah, she ready long time and I call me when the police said it.
Mm.
Ready now?
Yeah.
But my girl no wrong. Me no wrong too. I'm going ready. That's so nice. Drink some rum. I'm share with my friend them rum.
Yeah. You drink some what?
Rum.
What kind of rum?
Anytime. Red stripe.
Red stripe and a rum. Red stripe and beer.
Yeah, beer, but I love beer.
You love beer.
Drunk in that place.
You drunk in that place?
Yeah.
And you drive?
You're not driving in time yet.
You're not driving time there?
No, but I'm good that time yet.
Alright, here what, man. I go up on the road and make some money, so. We will get that, see?
Well, that is just another video there of Dante, and as you can see, he was very young at this age, and we can see here a star in the making. Such a talented and well intelligent young child there, and he has been giving stories of his life and also things that don't seem so real at all to me. However, he's the one that will put a smile on your face, and I hope that this video does put a smile on your face on this Saturday morning. Dante is like a character in his own shell. He's like a big man in a small child body. I'm telling you, such a creative artwork there from that young individual. He giving this story about his girlfriend, and trust me, the story seemed just so convincing. You would not believe that he was just a small little child giving that story there to you. I'm telling you, such a funny moment. I have one more clip now to share with you of him as well, and this is with the icon himself, Mr. Marlon Samuels, reviewing the iconic Perfume. Trust me, he's a star, and a star indeed. Let's go over to that one.
Nothing looks so good. I'm tell you something about holding something like people. So when you have them something in your hand, if you drink to with them in a car, them things, a rich man things in the people. If you don't have no money, you can't buy them, you know. Man, something set them up for me. Take it away from me, man. You know, something drink to with them. People, if you don't have no money, don't talk about sexy around here. No, man. I'll get shot, yes. But the people, the one here, the black one here, the one here bad. The one here bad. No, I tell you like that one here bad. The design upon it.
Smell like you?
No, I tell you like bad. No, I tell you like bad. 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 So make a guy even.
Is it Dante?
You know you're going to do tomorrow. Put on the now.
Why? Can't go hell. Listen, you know say you're not dead. Just put on one of them now.
Can't go in. No, I tell you like, man. I smell the white one, man. But I love the black one, though. God, no. Them something here.
Yeah, check.
If you don't have no money, don't buy it. Don't even look on it. God, no. The white one, turn up. White one, turn up. Who's you like?
I
Love the white one, bad.
I'm not gonna kill us.
Black one, bad still, but
No one white and American.
it have a gearless, it have a gearless. The one have a gearless. Smell. Show me style.
You don't know female them
God,
smell
no,
of it.
and this
Up
one
there.
bad. People, my ladies and my fans out there, buy this one. I recommend
That's
this
why
one.
you want to smell like.
That one is bad.
Yeah.
Bad. Tell you that the one them come out good, you know, because I see them first, you know, they have something good. And then to
First time you watch me put in the work.
yeah. Because a long time we didn't want them, because them good.
I want it for her put in.
What do you mean, the black and white one, baby? If you don't love me, buy that one, God no, buy that one. Buy that. Jesus Christ. She tell you, oh, Jenna,
First time I want to say, this is Jenna.
she said, Jenna one.
Yeah, man.
If you want to go for your money, you can sneak up on it.
Yeah, like that.
Invisible.
Yeah. So which one you say? Which one you say you want? When you say you save your money, you don't say you save your money.
I save money, man.
Alright, which one you want?
Two of them was still.
Which one you want?
That's my bad in the way.
The man I eat that.
No. No, man, I can. Them ya. As you quit, them are run out.
I better know.
As you quit.
Right now, I have them under control.
Me, you tell that.
So which one you say?
Look at two of them.
Back up, which one you say?
Alright, now be honest with the people.
No, I want to know which one you would have choose.
Black one more. It more, I don't know, but it was more girlish food.
But it have the black one have Gallus,
Yeah.
Jenna in it.
Everything.
But the white one does
one, no, white
go over the girl them, right?
No,
way.
a girl in. But black one still.
Yeah, I forget
If
the
you
black
don't
man. The black
want
can kill. What kind of money I save my youth? I want to in a family.
I see the money, man.
Save rich money. This a year woman. What
Black
is
one, white one.
Yeah,
People,
all this.
what? People. Buy the man of people.
Oh, if you save money, I want to.
People, buy the man of people. You don't know where you come from with a mastermind of these cologne. Cause Paul on a bad like this.
Not man.
No.
You can't call me Paul
Uchi
around
can't
this,
no
man.
bad like this.
You know, see Creed and the whole of them.
Me not tell no lie, me love that one.
John round there.
When I bought people, 60 and you go get it now. That me I tell you. Get it
So
now.
listen, when you screw up with that right
What do
now,
you mean?
we are going to wear that. Go the first time, we are going to wear that.
Go me away that school if one me I go away
Oh,
this.
God, man.
What you mean? It's a bad thing.
What you say? They mean trouble around at school.
What you mean? You say how face the girl in school, she not like me, but you know say she kind of see me, you know. Way, but when she smell this for me, I go to school fresh out. You mean?
Different thing. And she...
Come here, babe. Smell this for me. You me I wear 60 and me.
So when
I
you...
don't call when I bought.
So when you start screw up all this now, all your gate now, them I forgot to come. Security have tight down there with you. We're on your side, we're on your left.
Yeah, what you mean?
Why security have it tight?
60 and me I wear now. 60 and come on in my room, you know. Never put this in a big locker. I want it up good.
Yeah.
My father smell this one, I want it and wait. I tell her this, daddy, save the money and buy it.
Yeah.
Father, wait, smell. You tell me cologne. This, put up safe.
Man, them TV down there, you know, Dante.
And me, I tell you,
Yeah.
but people not tell a lie.
Your mother take it from you, you stay there, you go and run off your mouth.
No,
I bet
no,
she take it from you.
I don't see me have that
I
cologne.
lie, she can see now when I post that video. I tell you, quiet.
I'm not me.
I bet she take it, I want she take it from
You know, come
I
on.
say, oh, you love it.
I want to cry to you. You just now do this video, you come now do it. God know people not go down come on.
I say, I love it, so I tell you, I want to cry. But I'm not cry.
No, cry. No.
Great, that day, me say. I want when you put it down, your mother just take it where you say.
No, cry. But people want to come on still.
Yes, sir. What you say, mother?
But I don't see that a cake.
How you handle that a cake?
No, this is taking auntie Donna. But I'm not telling a lie. You buy your 60 here. The white one, I'm not sure.
Sure, yes. Mother handle that a cake.
This body. Auntie Donna, I'm not telling a lie. But I hear cakes. The smell. I'm not telling a lie. This drive me attention. Auntie Donna, go buy a cake. Go buy your cologne now. You when you buy this, you get all mastermind recipe.
I did that a cake can turn up over this like it's 6 million here.
6 million here, but not in a lie. Anyway, I'm going to have to tell somebody who I know. Now, I'm going to name Uncle Mission.
And you?
Uncle Mission, I call him.
Yeah.
Tell him to go buy a cool one, you know.
Yeah, Uncle
He
Mission.
must go buy one of them 6 million here. Half to buy one. I'll tell you what I'm going to wait, more than some months. I may have to give him rights. Him wrong, I'm right. I'll tell you.
Right, you're wrong.
People, you represent Jamaica upon it.
Born Jamaican.
And that's a one big thing serious about. No cool when I come out, they don't represent their country from where they come from or not. You see me I tell you? They sell out.
They represent themselves.
They represent themselves. And people,
But they
how
represent
the
the
Prime
Jamaica.
Minister buy this too, you know? You see this Jamaica, they pan it. I don't know, say I pay Jamaica and I watch me and all. So buy your cologne.
Jamaica only left on that one, yeah, you know. See them one, they want the first one they will make with the Jamaica flag, see it?
Me I tell you,
Yeah.
come on, Samuel. We don't know no other cologne we make from Jamaica flag pan it.
None.
None.
Well, there you have Dante giving his review of the iconic cologne, the Sextillionaire cologne. Whoa, what a little lad. What a child. What a star. He is so a tough youth. Trust me. He's very tough in his art and his delivery and giving his views about the Marlon Samuels cologne. He making recommendation that the Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, you need to get yours as well, and comparing it to Miss Donna Cake, that is nicer than Miss Donna Cake. Well, this individual has been around for a while right now doing his social media thing, and he has just garnered such love from the Jamaicans right across, and he's just a star. I see great things in store for this youngster, and I'm telling you, in the near future, I look forward for this individual to become one of the most iconic figures in Jamaica. Whatever he venture off into, I know that he will be successful at it, because it's an innate thing. He have it from within him, and he has been doing this for a number of years now, and it's just natural. It's not anything that he's putting on or he's putting on a show for you. It's just natural. That's just who he is. I'm gonna leave this one here for now. Just let me what you think in the comment section. Links are below. 7 TV Celebrity Scoop. I hope you got a laugh from this video. I'm out for now. Peace.